The purpose behind this renovation project was to create a relaxing farmhouse for our clients to spend their weekends away from the hustle and bustle of the city. The formal living space opens to the garden on one side and has natural stone walls on other two sides. The furnishing is kept minimal yet elegant.
The interior design of this house is done with a minimalistic approach, keeping in mind the functionality.
So, we designed a parallel kitchen without lofts because there was no need to create extra storage spaces in this farmhouse.
Moving on to the bedrooms. This house has 2 master bedrooms and 2 guest bedrooms with a common bathroom. The master bedrooms overlooks the backyard.
The wardrobes in master bedrooms extend till the roof, with a customized storage spaces in the form of cabinets and drawers. Care has been taken to select the most elegant laminates to give a classic finish with these long handles.
The guest bedroom wardrobe is fitted in the provided space as per the original plan of the house to blend in meticulously.
The colors to the walls were carefully chosen to not let go of the original character of this house.
Entire house electrical and plumbing renovation is done, making it safe and livable space for years to come. The bathrooms were remodeled from having broken tiles and outdated fittings to a contemporary styled bathrooms with sleek fittings and modern tiles.
The front yard is restored with manicured lawn, flowery aesthetic and lightings for beautiful evenings.
The compound wall is built inspired by the Roman architecture on the front. The height of the compound gives privacy to the residents and is complete with contemporary style gate.
So, this was the story of this farmhouse transformation. For old home renovation, architecture construction and space planning interior design in Bangalore, call us today.
For more videos on old home renovation, architectural construction and interior design,
Please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra.
Thank you.